Hello and welcome to module number 13 for ED 584, and this will be scheduled for April 15th through the 21st. So we are getting into the last part of the semester. We're just a short month away from when we will need to have the final paper submitted and also the final project. So let me actually go in and share my screen. Okay, I'm sharing my screen, and this is for the research methodology chapter presentation. And the dates on that are April 26th, starting at 3 p.m. Mountain Time, Boise time, to Moscow. Then Monday, April 29th, and that's at 5 p.m. Boise, 4 p.m. Moscow. May 2nd, again, the earlier time, 3 p.m. Moscow, or 3 p.m. Boise, 2 p.m. Moscow. And then May the 7th, which is 5 p.m. Boise, 4 p.m. Moscow. I have received preferences for presentation dates and times from 5 students. So there's still several that need to get in touch with me. So if you could send me an email sometime in the very near future so I can get you on the schedule. So let's go into let's go into the module page for module number 13. Okay, I'm getting it on the screen. There we go. All right, we've got it up there. And the photo I was sharing, I took this a couple weeks ago on Easter Sunday when I took a drive down into southeastern Oregon, the desert of southeastern Oregon, near the Steens Mountains, which is west of Jordan Valley. It's south of Burns. It was just a beautiful day. It was very windy, but it was a beautiful day to take that drive. So we'll go on. So the purpose for module 13, the module addresses non-parametric statistical procedures specifically focused on the use of chi-square tests. So you can look over the objectives, and the assignment is to read chapter 17 from the statistics for the behavioral sciences, chapter 17, non-parametric tests, chi-square tests. Then we also have the supporting PowerPoint slideshow. Then in how to use SPSS, section 8.1, which is the chi-square goodness of fit. And then section 8.2, chi-square test of independence. And I also have a YouTube video on the chi-square test. Let's go back. So then the assignments is to post your reflected commentary for chapter 17. And then the next thing is to go in and begin working on assignment 4. And I'm going to click on it, and it's going to be different than the other assignments because there will be no questions from the textbook. I'm giving you 4 different data sets, and it's up to you to select one of them and then to run the data, run a statistical analysis on those and write it up. And I've got here, it's very similar to writing up a journal article or a paper for a conference presentation with the introduction, lit review, the methods, the findings, your conclusions and your recommendations, and then the references. And this is a 3 to 5, no more than 5 pages, and that includes everything. That includes if you use a cover sheet, which you don't need to, but you can if you want. That also includes the references, and this is to be an APA. If you have any questions on this, just let me know. So that is the final, the quantitative research assignment number 4. Get back in here. Yeah. And with this assignment, and as with the other assignments, you are more than welcome to work in a group on this. And I have no problems if there are co-authors on paper submissions for the assignment. For the next module, we'll continue our examination of non-parametric statistical procedures, and the focus will be test of ordinal data, and this is addressed in statistics for the behavioral sciences 18. Please feel free to move ahead. And as I said, we're moving here toward the end of the semester. Please go in, check the points you received, make sure I have posted the points you've earned for assignments. If you have any other questions, let me know. If you have any questions about the final paper, the final presentation, let me know. So let me stop the share. And that concludes the introduction and instructions for Module 13. Take care.